Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me tonight. We got a fun little video lined up for you. Something a little bit different. We're doing a right angle impact wrench comparison. We have the Kobalt versus the Milwaukee. Stick around to the end, guys. You want to see what the numbers are for these tools. We're going to go over the weight. We're going to go over the RPMs. We're going to check to see if the battery size matters with the RPMs. And see which one can take off the most torque down lug nut with the old torque wrench. Hit that intro. Alright, bare tool. We're looking at 2 pounds, 13 ounces. It's pretty close. The box says 2.8 pounds. Kobalt, I didn't see a weight online for it. Man, that hog ring is really tight still. It's pretty new. We have 3 pounds, 7 ounces. So it's slightly heavier. What do you expect? It's a 24 volt versus a 12 volt. So first, I'm going to use a 2 amp hour on the Kobalt. And first, I'm going to use the 3 amp hour on the Milwaukee. Why, guys? Because this isn't really designed as a 2 amp hour. I mean, you can, but I've seen other videos where it doesn't give it really the efficient power that it needs. Because this thing draws a lot of juice. Very nice. In the hand, guys, this Milwaukee is slick. Let me tell you what. It's very thin. It's easy to grab. Let's check the RPMs on them real quick. Try forward first. Let's see if the 6 amp hour makes a difference. Reverse. There we go. So, slightly faster with the bigger battery. Kobalt, 2000 RPMs. In reverse. $19.81. Forward. $19.75. Let's slap on the 6. Alright, this is tightening now. Fully charged up 6. Alright, I got the 2000. Look at that, 2003. Oh, 33. So guys, I do think the larger battery does give it a little bit tiny more extra RPMs, but not much. Let's check the decibels. We'll just say 2 feet away. See that? About 86. Kobalt. Kobalt is significantly quieter. About 86, 87 for the Kobalt. About 88, so maybe 1.5, 2, guys. This is just for fun. It's not too scientific. The Kobalt is rated for 180 foot-pounds, so we'll go right to 170. Can you see that? Okay. We'll do mode 3, fully charged up, 3 amp hour battery. We're using a 22 millimeter 3/8 inch socket, so we don't have to use an adapter. There we go. 170. Oh yeah, look at that. Piece of cake. Retighten it up. There we go. 170. Kobalt. Charges up 2. Here we go. Barely, holy cow. That's funny. See that? Focus. 180. Alright, watch the chalk line. Piece of cake for Milwaukee. Wow. We'll go right up to 210. So fully charged up 2. All right, here we go. Ready? Watch chalk line. Wow. Hilarious. All right, 210 for the Milwaukee. Fully charged up still. Here we go. Nice. All right, screw it. Right to 250. See what you can do. There we go. So it fully charges up 2 amp hour. Here we go. I don't think the Kobalt can do this, but we'll give it a shot. That's insanity. There we go. 250. See what the Milwaukee can do. Fully charged up. 3. There we go. Wow. No problems. Both impacts way underrated. I don't know. I know this isn't a 100% accurate test, guys, but it's pretty close. The torque wrenches are pretty, they're, you know, give plus or minus 5 pounds. I mean, they're pretty accurate. Should I crank her down with Milwaukee and see if the Kobalt can loosen it? Yeah. Charged up 3. Let's crank her down and see if the Kobalt can loosen it up. Good 5-second hit. Still using just the 2. Guys, pop on the 6. I know adding the 6 helps because I use that when I had to remove the 19 millimeter bolts for my sway bar. Here we go. Ooh, that does not sound good. That did not sound good. Did you guys hear that? Well, I think whatever that was, a little too much. Try one more time, see if it blows up. Wow, it did it, but it sounded like it was going to explode, so I don't recommend it. There you go, guys. Hope you liked that quick little demonstration between Milwaukee Fuel M-12 right angle impact wrench, that's a mouthful, and the Kobalt 24 volt right angle impact wrench. Both brushless, guys, both great tools. I think they pretty much loosen about any kind of brake bolt, caliper mounting bolt you can imagine, especially if you don't have to use the adapter. I really feel like the straight socket really gives this a lot more power, even this one too. You know, my torque wrench I have now maxes out at 250, As soon as I get another torque wrench, guys, it goes up to 600 foot-pounds. We can really crank down some bolts and see what these things can do. So stick around, guys. We got a lot of good videos. We got the Makita, the Ryobi, the Milwaukee impact wrenches, the high torque ones coming up. We do more testing with these because we can actually dial it in, do 300 or 400 foot-pounds and see what they can actually do. Much love, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit that like button so you don't miss out on the future videos, guys. If you want to watch more videos, check out this video here. Can't really talk. It's hot. It's late. You guys have a blessed night. Until next time. See ya.